Hello world, here's Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant, and here's your daily update, guys. Today is a really important day. I will show you on this quick 8-minute update what's so important for this day, what do we need to watch, and what is the next big thing for Bitcoin. Let me show you this. Sit back and relax. Let's start. Okay, here we are today. No coin market cap, no special things. Today only hardcore TA for Sunday because it's a really important day and only 8 minutes, guys. We have a nice line from the downside to the upside. This is our resistance line. It is a support. It is a green one. Our next line is this line from the upside to the downside. This is our resistance line. It's a red one. So you see from the downside is coming a nice support, and from the upside we have a bad resistance line. This is a rising wedge, and the big question is now for the day, will it break out to the upside or to the downside? That's the big question, and we try to answer this question. Maybe we are going up or maybe we are going down like this. Let me tell you what is my thought about this, what is my big thing about this, guys. Let's zoom out a little bit. 1 hour time frame, every candle is 1 hour. What can we see here? First of all, we have here a retracement, a Fibonacci retracement from the highest point to the lowest point on the 1 hour time frame. This is this one. And now you can see why are we fighting on this point so hard since long time? Because we are now on the Fibonacci line. 0.5 Fibonacci line, 38,200 is a big resistance. And here we are fighting for the moment. We need a breakout over the Fibonacci. We need a breakout over this resistance line. And that's the big thing for the moment. We are fighting a little bit under this line. And it's Sunday and we need a push up to the upside. It's so important to see this push up today. Why? I will show you later. The next thing is we have a nice parallel channel to the upside and we are still in this nice parallel channel. Everything is okay as long as we are in this parallel channel. We have some targets to the upside. If we can break out from this, maybe today, this would be great. 39,476 is the Fibonacci 0.618, and the next Fibonacci line 0.66 is also really important. Also really important to watch. This is 39,900. And guys, we have a big target, 41,000. That's the 0.786. If we can climb up more and more, we have to watch. So today I have a bad hair day. So the next thing what we have to watch is the relative strength index. Let me show you. The relative strength index is this one here on the 1 hour time frame. It's not so a big thing, but we can see we have a line from the upside to the downside, resistance. We can draw it like this one. We have some space to the upside, okay, like this one. And we also can make a line from the downside to the upside. So we are on 55 points here with the RSI. It's not overbought, it's not oversold. We have some space to the upside. And if we are drawing a line from the downside, maybe from here to the upside to here, you can see we have also some space to the downside. So RSI is not helping us in the decision, can we go up more and more, yes or no? We are in the middle. Okay, let's check the next thing. We have more things to watch. This is the moving average. What's telling us this one? The moving average and this one, the golden cross death cross indicator. First of all, moving average is not helping us for the moment because we have a bearish one. We are going down, we are building red candles. We have no bullish cross for the moment. But let's remove this MACD. Let's remove the RSI. Yes, guys, look at this. We have a nice golden cross here. It was on January the 29th. It was for about, yes, 1 day yesterday. At midnight, we saw a golden cross. Now, the big thing is we have on the 1 hour time frame a nice golden cross, and the green line is our support line. This one, 37,678 is our big support to the downside. This may help us for a next pump to the upside. This nice golden cross can help us. So everything is looking good for a nice breakout. We have the ribbon band here, we have the green line here, we have the EMA 200 line here. So a lot of support under us, a little resistance with this Fibonacci line over us. And yes, it's possible, in my opinion, to break out. And we need this breakout today. Why, guys? Why it is so important today to break out? I made a really nice video yesterday. Please watch it. It's a really big video. It's the forecast for February. And I'm showing you in this video why it is so important to watch this weekend and to watch this breakout here. What we can see here is maybe, that's not so nice, in the 1 hour time frame, a shoulder head shoulder or a diamond pattern also, but it's not so yes, a diamond pattern is also possible. So maybe we have a trend line to the downside. Maybe we have here a line to watch like this one, And if we will break it to the downside, we have maybe a bad target. Depends always where we can break out about this Fibonacci line. Let me tell it, 36,900, that's the next Fibonacci line. Maybe it is also a diamond pattern, but guys, we need to watch more stuff. We need to watch more. I promised you 8-minute update. Now we have 5 minutes, so let's move on with this stuff. Maybe a shoulder head shoulder, or maybe a diamond pattern. You can see it as a diamond pattern also. 4-hour time frame, and this is now really important. On the 4-hour time frame, we have a ribbon band fight for them. What can we see? First of all, death cross here on this point. It was in November, okay, and we're going down and down and down again. And here we can see the green line on the downside. It's coming up a little bit, and we can see the red line on the upper side here. So first of all, the good stuff is we are over the ribbon band. We won the fight with the ribbon band. We have a nice confirmed closing candle. Not one, we have a lot of confirmed closing candles here over the ribbon band. Everything is okay. This is our support now. And it's still red, yes, okay, but it's now turning maybe into a green one. Great support, green line to the downside, 36,500, you can see it. Also the Fibonacci line, 36,980 is a big support on the downside. So yes, we have a lot of support to the downside. Maybe we can break up here to the upside, and this is really important now. Okay, before we end, guys, the biggest thing what I would like to show you will follow now. Only 8 minutes, I promised. Let me show you this stuff, guys. Let's zoom out a little bit more. Let me show you the weekly, and let's remove everything here. On the weekly, yes, you can see the ribbon band is here over our heads, a big resistance. We are a long way under the ribbon band, so it's not necessary to watch it. It's ugly. Let's remove everything. Let's remove the ribbon band, and let's remove the golden cross, death cross. And now, at the end of this video, I will show you why it is so important for the day to jump up to the upside more and more, because this is the weekly time frame. Every candle is 1 week. What can we see? Yes, we have a green candle, but we have here a big red candle to the downside. We need something like this on the left side, not like this on the right side. We need, for a trend reversal here, more and more upgoing candles and not more and more downgoing candles. For the moment, we don't have it. So for the day, it's important to move up here with the candle. And if you are watching the monthly, we have a big problem, guys, because we have here a bearish cross for the MACD. For the MACD, you can see it. We are going down with the blue line under the brown line, and we are building the first red candle to the downside. That's really dangerous. So what do we need today? We need a breakout. We need a monthly closing candle with a nice target. We need a weekly closing candle with a nice target to the upside, and not like this. We need power to the upside to make green candles. Guys, this is it. Have a nice time. Greetings. Yours, Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant.
System activate.